Welcome back, guys, to Matus Loft. This is Simba. This is Rihanna. I love boxers. Okay, so I already got 6 youngsters from the loft. I couldn't make the video getting them because it's kind of hard to do it with just one hand. But here's my Young Bird Loft, newly built. This is basically a shed. Okay, it's crowded in here. A lot of the stuff that was on this side got moved over here. It didn't have any windows before. I added these 2 windows as well as this window here. On this side, it will eventually be the old bird loft. I will have to construct the partition here, but that's what the spring or summer will hold for me in this shed. So I got about 50 perches. I tried to differentiate the types of perches so that they can pick and choose. These are box perches, of course. You can look up how to make these box perches anywhere on YouTube. These you can build yourself with just some wood, and these, of course, you can always purchase online. So once I build the old bird loft, I can show you some of these box perches and some of these perches, how I made it. These floors, there's better stuff out there, but this works for me for now. These are simply shelf tops that I got at Home Depot for $49. I think there's 5 or 6 of these, and I thought it was economic. So that's the loft. I added the light here. It's nice and bright. The lights will go off at 10:30 or so. And so let's get these guys settled. Because they're too young and their legs are still small. I'm just gonna lay down some cardboard. Okay, and I'm gonna put some hay, and so they're nice and warm. I waited till late today because I wanted the birds to be fed by the parents and for dinner, and now I can just have them here spend the night. Let me get some hay. That's just some regular hay I bought at the pet store. And it'll probably go in a corner. This is just temporary until once they start flying, and then they don't need this, but for now it'll be okay. That's good. One more. All right, so let's get these guys ready. Let me get the water. The water, it's actually a bottled water. I didn't want to add anything. Just let them get regular water, nothing on it, just plain water. Got the taste of real water. And the feed, same feed as they're getting from their parents. All right, I'm gonna put this here. Okay, so I got the water there, I got the food. For a few days now, I actually had feed and water where their box was at the breeding loft, and so I've seen them eat some food already. I've seen them dip their beaks in the water, and so I think they'll be okay. But tomorrow I'll come and I will definitely put their beaks in the water again. Hey there, guys. Okay, so I know they won't come out by themselves, so there you go. There you are, your new home. Let's go, Mr. Feisty. There you go. You guys remember that guy? Yeah. Okay. I got six birds. I'm going to have to split the weaning into 3 groups. The first group are these 6s. These 6. The next group will be another 6. That's 12. And then the last group will be 4, simply because of their size and how old they are. And so here they are, the first 6. I'm super excited. So I got, let's see, 3 blue bars, 1 check, 1 dark check, and a red check. So I'll be sure to give you an update on how they're doing. And for now, that's it. I made this loft, guys. Leave any comments if you wish, any recommendations, and I will be seeing you at another time. All right, take care. Bye-bye.